Good morning, folks, or Magandang Umaga, as we say in the Philippines. So we start this day riding the bot bus, which is the little bus that goes in a circular pattern around Pattaya. And that's how we get around there once we're down by the beaches, and staying in Jantiem is no exception. So, yeah, hop up on the bot bus, and it's about 10 baht to get around, which is dirt cheap. So our first stop today is at the Pattaya night market, and despite the name, it is open during the daytime and got a variety of different souvenirs and fashions to sort through. Already checking out the fashions. A lot of stuff. Tell China's been hard at work. Probably 99% of this stuff is Chinese made. There you go. And for some reason, I find these mannequins hilarious because they're a cross between fashion and a horror show. So it's kind of cool. There's a happy customer right there. You're waiting for her to open her eyes. After finishing up here at the night market, we jump back on the bot bus and headed over to Terminal 21, which is essentially a modern shopping mall, and walk around there, see what we can find. Dried squid. Let's try a little piece here. Sample this thing. Just what you expect, salty. What do you think? Taste anything? Some of it looks pretty good. I just tasted the dry squid. I want bad. Ooh, look at the. What is that? What is that? I think it looks like mango, right? It's mango, right? Mango? Oh, okay. 250 baht a bag. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Sure, baby. Let's get over here and get a sample here. Uh-oh. Let me try. It's good. It's like mango. With the dates. Okay. I think it's 100. Oh.
Where's your bag?
Bag, sir. Thank you for the What is this? Strawberry. Oh, okay. Fingers and
Mango
everything.
too? Yeah, mango candy. Oh, candy.
Strawberry or mango candy.
You got it?
Uh-oh.
You got your bag?
Uh-oh. Don't.
Plastic bag.
No, I'm good. I got it. Sample everything. More candy. Candy. So we got a bunch of dried chips. Pork, fried pork. Chicharron. Oh, I got the sausage. Wow, looks good. Thai sausage, 60 baht. More the pork, fried pork, chicharron. What is this? What? Squid? Pork. Squid.
Squid.
Huh?
Squid.
Squid. Oh, okay. So I think it's pork. Pork?
No, pork. Pork.
Pork over there. Okay. Squid. I know. What? I'll figure it out. I have to ask my wife. I'm not sure what that is. But no, because I see that beef there, and of course, I see pork there, yeah. But I still haven't figured out what this is. I don't know. But not beef, not pork. No, just. I'll try my translation. And after interpreting that is squid. So I had to break out the translation tool. First we got pork. Fingers in here with everything else. It's good. And more chips. And China's come to Thailand too. Trying to make that thing look like a little bit like the old Tesla sign there. A little bit. Can't help themselves. And as you look at this thing, the SO7, this looks exactly like the, what is it? The Lexus GS, at the rear end at least. GS, not the 350, I think it's the GS 400H, I think the hybrid one, so. And it's called Depal. And it's got the computer display there, a la Tesla. So, four-seater with a fold-down hatchback here. Thank God for the West and the Chinese doing all, the West and Japan doing all the design, and Europe doing all the design work for the Chinese. It's about a knockoff of a Tesla front end, right down to the cameras. So you've got the collision avoidance stuff here, camera up front here, another collision avoidance sensor here. Probably got cameras embedded in the side. I think there's a camera in the mirror here. Yeah, you can see it on the model over here. There's another camera right here, side cameras, just like Tesla. Yeah, guys kill me.
And if you're wondering where to go shopping, each of the big shopping malls here in Pattaya have great grocery stores with fantastic international selections of foods, spices, and all sorts of ingredients for cooking. far as accommodations go, there are dozens of hotels here. Can recommend the Hilton. It's great. A little pricey, but really nice. And then, of course, there are numerous Airbnbs up and down the beach. So take your time and make sure you're checking it all out so you don't miss anything. Another thing we always find interesting is the walking street area here in Pattaya, particularly in the daytime or early evening, where it becomes more or less a tourist attraction to walk down Walking Street, which in the evening, late evening, it's a lot of nocturnal adult activities here. And yeah, just not for everybody, but definitely not for families or kids. But in the daytime and afternoons, late afternoons, you can walk up and down and just kind of take in some of the sights. And the Asian tourists seem to eat that up.
Too. Down on Walking Street. What do you think? Exchange?
450 on some other thing.
That bar ain't ready yet. I'm guessing these things aren't open yet. Even got the tour guides bringing them through here. The Boss Club. Yep, sure. I'm filming them, they're filming me. Why not? This is one long street. We're walking the walking street. And it is one long walk. Hey, hey, hey.
Well, we hope you enjoyed our little walkabout here, and always happy to take you along with us as we're exploring Pattaya and Jomtien. With that said, wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and a big mabuhay from Lorena and Neil. Bye for now.